Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary, and this month I'm talking all about the things that I love about Airbnbs. And today I want to talk specifically about the fact that you don't have to have a lot of money in order to get started with an Airbnb. There are creative financing options. And what I mean by that is, let's say you live in a home currently and you have some equity tied up in that property. You could do a HELOC. You could take on a partner and choose to go in on this investment together so that the amount of capital that you have to have right out of the gate is a lot lower. You could take a personal loan from somebody that you know, or maybe somebody is an investor and you're going to contribute to this investment fund and you're going to just get a smaller percentage, but at least that's money that you're now earning that you didn't earn prior. Separate of those more creative financial options, you also have things like STR specific loans. This would be a loan that is qualified on the basis of what they predict the short-term rental will earn, okay? So they'll run it through things like an AirDNA, and they'll start to evaluate or analyze what the potential revenue is on that property, and that property then can qualify itself for a short-term rental loan. You can also look at things like co-hosting for a while. So you could sign yourself up as a co-host on Airbnb. That means that somebody else has purchased a property and you are simply assisting them in hosting that property, and you're choosing what percentage of income you're receiving in order to provide those services. So that can be a really great way of dipping your toe in the water of, I kind of want to see how this side hustle will go before I actually invest any of my own money, but it's also allowing me to save money in the interim that I can use on a property for myself down the road. So there are lots of financial options that are available to you. And if you're curious about more financial options or going into these options in depth, drop me a comment in the comments section or DM me, and I will send you our financial guide on getting started and how to think about your financial options to purchasing an Airbnb property.